So another question we've been asked on social media is, what can I do about fungus gnats? So in general, fungus gnats in your open garden aren't a problem. They're just part of the ecosystem outside, but they can cause an issue when they get into your containers, or especially into your indoor houseplant pots. Usually this is caused by very wet compost. So what they do is they like a moist surface, and they'll lay their eggs in there, and then you can get an infestation, especially indoors, of fungus gnats. So the best thing to do in that case is to use specific houseplant compost for indoors, and water from below if you can. So you want that top layer of the compost to be as dry as possible, and then they shouldn't be an issue. If you already have an infestation, you can use sticky fly paper to catch as many as possible, and then I would recommend completely changing the soil in the houseplant pot. So use John Innes #2 or any houseplant compost and repot the whole thing, and then you shouldn't have any more issues.